Hello everyone, today I would like to show you spirals. Spirals are a very common feature to the Mandelbrot set. You can find them at many places. Today I selected this area to show you what you can do. Okay, let's zoom in one step further. So I will remove the reset marker here, which is no longer needed. I will carefully take another zoom, and then I like to move. No, this was too much. Go to 1.2, maybe here. Okay, and then I move the plot a little bit. Yes, then I will change the exponent to 0.3. And I will change the maximum iteration to 1024. Okay, and then apply some smoothing. Okay, now I like to move it a little bit. Yes. Okay, now we could switch on bands, which enhances the spiral impression, so to say. And this color map is not so good for the bands. When we go to flags, okay, this is more impressive, I would say. And if you rotate the color map, it also creates the illusion of some movement. Then you can continuously rotate the color map. There's a problem of the speed. Maybe I slow down a little bit. Further slow down. Okay, so this is a little bit of a problem. So I stop continuously rotating the color map, and I will choose another color map, GIST Rainbow. There I have to choose the cyclic option. This looks better, and remove the bands. Okay, and then we can rotate again. A little bit faster now. And this is really fun to watch from my impression. We have here this modulo option. -1 says it's no modulo factor, and you can choose, for instance, 64. Then you change the appearance. You go to, okay, you can try yourself. Now we could zoom in to other places. Maybe go here. It's very colorful, but I like to watch this. I zoom out. And then move back to the main structure. And here are also very interesting places to zoom in. That's really cool, yeah? Okay, I stop here, pressing this exec. I have to admit that now and then this exec button is blocked. In this case, you have to stop the program with Ctrl+C. I will try to find the bug and I'll let you know. Okay, let me show you where we started. Yeah, this is the hot color map, and I have prepared this spiral hot PNG file, and also another PNG which is more colorful, this one. I will upload both PNG files to GitHub. There you can use them play with spirals. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I thank you for watching.